Question number 31. In which year Napoleon invaded Italy and Napoleonic Wars began? Correct answer 1797. Question number 32. In which year Greek struggle for independence began? Correct answer is in 1821. 33. What was an ellé? Correct answer is a measurement unit in France. Question number 34. What was Zollverein? Now correct answer is a custom union. Question number 35. Which country took initiative to form Zollverein? The correct answer is Persia. Question number 36. Which countries were known as the European powers? The correct answer is Britain, Austria, Persia and Russia. Question number 37. Who hosted the Vienna Congress in 1815? Now correct answer is Duke Metternich, the Austrian Chancellor. Next question. Which dynasty had been deposed during the French Revolution? Now correct answer is the Bourbon dynasty. Next question. How many states were there in German Confederation? Now correct answer is 39 states. Question number 40. Who had set up the German Confederation? The correct answer is Napoleon. Next question. In which country Giuseppe Mazzini was born? Now correct answer is in Geneva. Next question. Which secret society Giuseppe Mazzini joined? Now correct answer is the Carbonari. Next question. Which treaty recognized Greece as an independent nation in 1832? The correct answer is the Treaty of Constantinople. Next question. Who criticized the glorification of reason and science on nationalism? The correct answer is Romantic artists. Next question. What is the meaning of Das Volk? The correct answer is the common people. Now next question. Question number 46. What is the meaning of Volksgeist? Now correct answer is true spirit of nation. Next question. What is the meaning of the term vernacular? The correct answer is local language. Next question. Who were famous as Grimm's fairy tales? The correct answer is Jacob and Wilhelm Grimm. Next question. What are Polonaise and Mazurka? The correct answer is folk dances of Poland. In which year weavers had led a revolt against contractors in Silesia? The correct answer is in 1845. Now question number 51. After which revolution suffrage was guaranteed to all adult males above 21 in France? The correct answer is after the revolution of 1848. Question number 52. How many elected representatives took their places in the Frankfurt Parliament convened in the Church of St. Paul in Germany? The correct answer is 831 representatives. Next question. Who was offered the crown by the Frankfurt Parliament? The correct answer is Frederick Wilhelm IV, King of Prussia. Next question. Who were called Junkers? The correct answer is large landowners of Prussia. Next question. Who took the leadership of the movement for the unification of Germany? Now correct answer is Prussia. Next question. Who was the chief minister of Prussia? The correct answer is Otto Bismarck. Next question. Who was the architect of the process of unification of Germany? The correct answer is Otto Bismarck. Next question. To which countries Germany had to fight for unification of Germany? The correct answer is Austria, Denmark and France. Next question. In which year the process of unification of Germany completed? The correct answer is in January 1871. Question number 60. Who was proclaimed German Emperor after unification? The correct answer is Kaiser William I of Prussia. Next question. At which place Hall of Mirrors is situated in Germany? Correct answer is at Versailles. Next question. In how many states Italy was divided? Now correct answer is 7 states. Next question. Which state was ruled by an Italian princely house? The correct answer is Sardinia Piedmont. Next, who had formed a secret society called Young Italy? The correct answer is Giuseppe Mazzini. Next one, which state took the leadership of unification of Italy under its ruler King Victor Emmanuel II? The correct answer is Sardinia Piedmont. Next question, who were the prominent leaders to unify Italy? The correct answer is Chief Minister Mountcavor, Garibaldi and Victor Emmanuel II. Next one, in which year Italy was unified? The correct answer is in 1861. Next question, who was proclaimed the King of United Italy? The correct answer is Victor Emmanuel II. Now question number 70. In which year the English Parliament seized power from the monarchy? The correct answer is in 1688. Question number 71. Which act in 1707 between England and Scotland resulted in the formation of the United Kingdom of Great Britain? The correct answer is the Act of Union. Next question. In which year Ireland was forcibly incorporated into the United Kingdom? The correct answer is in 1801. Next question. Which flag is known as Union Jack? The correct answer is the British flag. Next question. Name the national anthem of the British. The correct answer is God Save Our Noble King. Question number 75. Name the female figure of Germany. The correct answer is Germania. Next question. Which crown Germania wears? The correct answer is crown of oak leaves. Next question. Name the thing that stands for heroism in Germany. The correct answer is oak leaves. Next one, question number 79. Who were known as the Slavs? The correct answer is inhabitants of the Balkan region. And the last question of chapter number 1 is question number 80. Name the modern countries that comprised the Balkans. The correct answer is Romania, Bulgaria, Albania, Greece, Macedonia, Croatia, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Slovenia, Serbia and Montenegro.